Welcome back. Padma Vibhushan Dr. Anil Kakorkar says Goa is fast appearing as second major pharma hub in India. Renowned atomic energy scientists inaugurated the Virgo Pharma Research Center and Professor Dr. S.E. Bhattacharya Organic Synthesis Laboratory at IDC Verna. Dr. Kakorkar also said that the Indian invention and commercialization has brought down the cost of drugs needed for healthcare.
Dr. Anil Kakorkar inaugurated the Virgo Pharma Research at Verna on Thursday. Dr. Kakorkar says Goa is emerging as a major pharma hub.
First of all, I wish to congratulate all of you for creating this important asset for the country. And I actually mean it to be like that. Goa is fast appearing as an important pharma hub in the country. I was told it's already number 2 in the pharma business in the country.
Research and innovation by Indian pharma centers have brought down the cost of drugs essential for healthcare.
The Indian invention and its commercialization have brought the cost of drugs tumbling down. It has enabled poor citizens of a developing country like India, and for that matter I think this has also benefited several other developing countries where the research done in India has benefited millions.
CEO of Virgo Pharma, Dr. Nitin Borkar, Dr. S.K. Paknikar, CMD Prasad Keni and others were present. A reporter from Verna, Surendra Madkaikar.
National and international tourism brands are now active in Goa. Chhattisgarh Tourism Board is offering attractive packages for tourists visiting the state. With over a footfall of around 2 lakh tourists, the board hopes to improve the statistics. The Chhattisgarh officials also claim that active Naxalites don't pose a threat to the tourist.
With the tourism season in the state at its peak, national and international tourism brands are on a promotion campaign in Goa. The Chhattisgarh Tourism Board is trying to woo tourists to visit its state. The state is offering attractive packages like special discounts to senior citizens and students. Its officials say Naxalism, which is active in the region, poses no threat to tourists.
Actually, what happened, Naxal threats, it is not there. That Naxal people always there against of police, they are against of government officials. They are not bothered about tourists. It is far away from the places of tourist interest. And that way there is no problem at all.
During the stay in Goa, the official found the beaches below par and urged the government to maintain them.
Some of the beaches I have seen that lot of people are coming. Of course, it is not managed properly. How it is to be managed, I do not know. Because I have seen some of the very good beaches in Sri Lanka. These are managed very properly. Here, this thing I could not see. In future, that government may take action.
Korean tourism officials were also down in Goa to promote Korean tourism. They say Goa is the best tourism destination in the country.
It's going to be a big international exposition, and also we got a Lions Club convention 2nd June to 6th June next year. I'd like to meet some members, Lions members in Goa.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sushant Pal.
Smiles are spreading all over Goa this festive season. For the first time, 1,000 smiles across Goa were displayed in South Goa. It was displayed at the Ravindra Bhavan in Margao. 1,000 Smiles is an event that is supported by the Department of Goa Tourism. This is its 3rd edition and has got a good response in Panji earlier.
After getting good response in Panji, 1,000 smiles were displayed at Madgaon on public demand. The third edition of the event has captured smiles and just smiles of people in the state. One can have a look at all the 1,000 smile at a glance. This event in month of December has added more colors to the festive mood in the state.
There was immense demand from people from South Goa saying that you are coming to shoot in South Goa, but why not exhibit? So this year we took a very conscious decision and we decided to extend our exhibition from 3 days to 4 days and cut it into 2 parts, one in Panjim and one in Margaon.
South Goa Collector Sandeep Jekis, Chairman of Ravindra Bhavan Madgaon Sridhar Kamath, CMYK members and others were present.
If 5 seconds of a smile can improve a photograph, you can just imagine if you keep on smiling, our world can be a lovely place to live in.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
The newly appointed DGP Kishan Kumar inspected the Mapsa police station building. This is one amongst the pre-liberation building. Kishan Kumar, as the then IG, was following this project of modernization of the Mapsa police station building, but sadly it is still pending.
After Kishan Kumar took the charge as the Goa DGP, he has started his work in full swing. Recently, he inspected the Mapsa police station building. Kumar, as then IG, was following with the modernization of this building around 4 years back. This building was built during Portuguese regime and needs a new look.
DGP आयला हे प्रिमायसीस पळोवपाक. हे प्रिमायसीसाचे बांदकाम जावपाचें आसलेलें खूब पयलीं प्रपोजल घातलेलें, कारण ही बिल्डींग आहा तें आदलें प्री लिबरेशनाचें तें पेंडींग आसा सरकारा कडेन आनी आतां दुसरें मॉडर्नायजेशनान येवपा आसा म्हणून तो हे इन्स्पेक्शनाक आयल्लो. फाटीं तो आसतना IG म्हणून ते वेळारूय तें प्रपोजल पेंडींग आसलेलें म्हणून तो पळोवपा आयिल्लो. आतां स्टेटस खंय आसा तो.
DYSP also spoke on the security arrangements planned by Mapsa police on the eve of New Year.
न्यू इयराक लागून आमी इलेबोरेट स्कीम काडलेली आहा, डिप्लॉयमेंट केल्लो आसा अलॉंग कोस्टल बेल्ट, इवन म्हापसा सुद्दां डिप्लॉयमेंट केल्लो आसा, चर्च बी आहा तें, आनी मेनली बीच बेल्ट, कारण ट्रॅफिक डिप्लॉयमेंट तेंचो वेगळो स्कीम आहा, डिस्ट्रिक्ट डिप्लॉयमेंटाचो वेगळो स्कीम आहा. हो डिप्लॉयमेंट full scale deployment up to 4 AM आसा, मागीर skeletal deployment up to 6 AM.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.